Hello friends, good morning from Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday, 1st February 2021. This Monday morning I traveled this village riverbank area. So friends, now I walk at this place and I see here is some polluted garbage. So now I clean this garbage. Here is a beautiful mustard flower, and I see here is a one plastic bottle. This plastic bottle very bad for our environment, so I collected this plastic bottle. I see here is another plastic bottle. আরেকটি দেখতে পেয়েছি, তা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। বন্ধুরা, আমি নদীর পাশ দিয়ে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু আবর্জনা এখানে দেখতে পেয়েছি। ইউ ক্যান সি ভিলেজ river water. I stood in river bank and I see here is a cigarette butt. I collected this cigarette pack. Here is one cigarette butt. Another bottle here, plastic bottle. So I collected this bottle. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা, নদীর তীর ঘেঁষে হাঁটছি আর এগুলো সংগ্রহ করতেছি, দূষিত আবর্জনা। Stock this dirt and collected another garbage. One polythene here, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। তো আমি এটা সংগ্রহ করলাম, রাখলাম এখানে। Here is a cigarette pack. Here is another bottle. Air bottle. Another unused product here. So I collected this product. So friends, I collected this polluted garbage from village riverbank area. Now I polluted garbage plastic bottle carry on and thrown in dustbin. So friends, let's go. I use this bag. So friends, let's go this plastic bottle. Oh shit, here is another plastic. This plastic bottle, polythene bag thrown in dustbin. Let's see. Friends, this is a village dustbin, village areas use dustbin. This polluted garbage thrown in dustbin. So thank you so much friend, and this was my riverbank cleaning mission, nature cleaning mission, Monday morning.